I like my shirt too. Covers my boobies. It's a city in Egypt. Hypatia. She's a Greek mathematician who was murdered because she was a woman and women can't be smart. That's what they believed. She published a lot of stuff. Okay, I don't have any years on this one. The Greeks killed her, and you gotta love the way they killed her. She was her skin was scraped off with oyster shells. Oh, awesome, eh? Don't you? You don't die from being flayed?
How did they do it for?
And what?
How did they do her thing out her skin for?
I'm not sure they timed her. Like, let's just keep scraping. I don't think it took that long to scrape her skin off. You have a weird fascination with things. How long it took for them to strip her skin off with oyster shells until she croaked it. Yeah. Note to self, don't give her weapons. All right, this one, 2 root 2 times minus 5 root 7. So what are we going to do?
2 times minus 5. -10. And then 2 times 7. 14.
Now just double check and see if there's anything you can do to simplify.
You can do it by 2.
Is 2 a square number?
No.
Oh, no. 4.
4 doesn't go into 14.
No, that's it.
Cool, I didn't think it'd take that long, but yes, you're right. Next one, question 2. What are we going to do?
4 times y.
Yeah,
And 2 times 18.
excellent, which gives us
20. Yeah, and
whatever
whatever 2 times 18.
2 times 18 is.
36.
18 plus 18. Yeah, that is 36, oh my lord.
Sorry, I was busy writing the other one down.
And once that brain's writing that thing down, that's it. No more processes. Okay.
And that's it.
Is it it?
Yeah.
Why not?
4.
Yes. 4 is a square number that goes into it. How many times does 4 go into it?
9
Cool. 9 is also a...
square number.
So let's try and think if there's one square number that...
One.
4. He's dying. 4. 20.
4.
For those of you on the internet who are wondering why there's some dead silence, I'm trying to get my year 11 students, not year 7, year 11, to work out what the square root of 36 is.
6.
Thank you. So we can simplify that. You were absolutely right there, Brad. You could use 4.
It doesn't make sense. How are you wrong?
Which part doesn't make sense? That would be 20.
2 underline. Oh, that's 18.
That is equals. Notation. She a beast. Yeah, you could have done square root of 4 times 9. And then you would have probably seen that, okay, take that out and you got 2 root 9. And then you go, oh, hang on, root 9 is 3. And then you go 2 times 3 is 6. So you would have got there in the end. Okay? So yeah, picking out the 4 was good. I'm just disturbed with the rest of them not being able to realise 36. Anyway. All right. Yes, no, you're not. All right, next one. What do we do?
2 divided by 4.
Yeah, I can either leave them as fractions. I like fractions. I know I often say I don't like fractions. I don't like fractions in certain situations, but as a division, I think fractions are pretty cool because they make life easier. So I'm going to leave it as a fraction and go like that.
14 divided by 2.
And then do that.
7 over 1.
Now, there is another way of writing that. So we've got a half times 7. I need you to start seeing this and going, there is another way of writing that is a bit neater. Like I said, I don't mind fractions in these sort of situations. A half times 7 is the same as 7 divided by 2. Would you agree? Okay. So a half times square root of 7 is the same as square root of 7 divided by 2. So in other words, a half times anything is the same as anything over 2. Cool? 1/8 times anything is the same as anything over 8. 1/1,000,000th times anything is the same as anything over 1,000,000. The numbers don't matter. The process is the same. Seems I say that a lot. I tend to repeat myself. Sorry, I need to repeat myself. Would this be 10 over 3? Let's have a look. We have a square root. Now, if I expanded this out, you've got square root of 10 over 3 times square root of 10 over 3. We're not going to do that. We're going to have a look at that and go, that squared cancels out that square root, which leaves us with, Mr. Watch, thank you very much. Very happy. You do have a question, and I have an answer.
It's not math related.
Not math related.